Divya, I remember reading a LinkedIn post of yours a couple of years ago where you spoke about how your mother has been a huge source of inspiration for you. She was a working mom as well who managed to, balance everything very effectively. The question I have for you is, in a hyper connected world like ours, is it really possible to draw these boundaries? And in your case, it's not just a 9 to 5 job for you. You're the co-founder, you have skin in the game, and you have 2 children. So how do you do this? I mean, how are you managing this? What do you struggle with? Do you have coping mechanisms that you can share that others can perhaps take inspiration from or learn from?
So one thing that has definitely worked for me is creating artificial boundaries. And it's important to do that, because when you're giving as much importance to your work as you are to your family, because both are important, right? One is not more important than the other. It's important to keep time, cut out time and keep it for both. So I very strongly believe, and it's worked for me, right from the time I've had my first son, to create some sort of an artificial boundary for yourself, because that way you are giving 100% attention at one point to one thing. So it's 50-50 never works, right? It's 100% or it's 0. So, and I remember that even, when my older son was like 3 months, 4 months, whenever he used to sleep, I used to record the classes for the app. So I've been a teacher first, you started and you introduced me, and I bear that label with a lot of pride, because that was my first job. And when my first son was born, I was very actively teaching for the learning app, for the videos on the learning app, and I used to do it whenever he was sleeping. But and I think it's not just me, right? The entire founding team, everyone has been teachers, and then there are women within the team, there are mothers within the team. So I think all of us have managed to balance sort of work and life, because for us, I think enjoy both. That's very, very important. Now, neither of them can be a chore, right? If you really love something, you're on a holiday every day. That's how the saying goes. So if you enjoy work, and of course you're going to enjoy, being a mother is one of the most precious things in the world for any woman, right? So I think you enjoy both, but give time to both and do 100% at one point of time. Try not to mix, because we women are very, very efficient at multitasking. So since we're so good at it, we may, try to do it at the same time, but that typically doesn't work, because then you won't know which one to give priority for at that point of time. So so I would say, most of my strategy has been about creating artificial boundaries, and 2, I think giving 100%. Whatever I do, I do that completely, and I don't let anything distract me when I'm doing that at that point of time. And also I think, planning, because I know that, it's important to have yearly goals and all of that, but I think it's more important to break that down to weekly and daily goals as well, and plan your day. Now, I'm not saying micromanage, but at least know whom you're going to meet, so that when you have a big team, you need to give equal time to everybody, right? It's the same as having children, right? You need to give time to people in your team at work too. And then once you do that and you integrate them to think like entrepreneurs, and we've always celebrated that at Byju's.